Taekwondo is more than just kicking and punching. It is an ancient martial art that embodies the philosophy of life, focusing on the development of both the body and the mind. Before we continue, watch this video until the end. Thank you. Now back to your content. It is a holistic practice. It demands physical strength, agility, and endurance. It requires mental clarity, focus, and discipline. Taekwondo also cultivates emotional well-being, fostering a sense of inner peace and resilience. Nutrition plays a vital role in this holistic approach. The food we consume fuels our bodies and minds, providing the energy needed for rigorous training. Proper nutrition supports physical performance, enhancing strength, speed, and recovery. It also sharpens mental focus, allowing practitioners to maintain concentration during training and competitions. Good nutrition contributes to emotional balance, helping to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook. This video explores the connection between Taekwondo and nutrition, delving into how a balanced diet can enhance overall well-being. We will see how a holistic approach enhances training, making each session more effective and rewarding. We will uncover the secrets to optimal performance, combining physical training with proper nutrition. This guide empowers you to reach your full potential, both in Taekwondo and in life. Embrace the journey of Taekwondo, a path of continuous growth and self-discovery. Fuel your body and mind for success, and unlock the true power within you. Taekwondo training is physically demanding. It combines high-impact movements with strength training. It also incorporates endurance exercises, high-impact kicks and jumps, stress joints and muscles. Strength training builds muscle mass and power. Endurance exercises improve cardiovascular health and stamina. These physical demands require proper nutrition. Adequate nutrition supports muscle growth and repair. It also provides sustained energy for intense workouts. Without proper nutrition, the risk of injury increases. Fatigue sets in faster, performance suffers. Understanding the body's needs is crucial. Mindful eating is crucial for Taekwondo practitioners. It involves paying attention to hunger cues. It means savoring each bite and choosing nutrient-rich foods. Mindful eating helps prevent overeating and promotes optimal digestion. It allows the body to efficiently utilize nutrients. This leads to better energy levels and recovery. Adequate sleep is equally important. Sleep deprivation impairs physical and cognitive function. It hinders muscle recovery and increases injury risk. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows your body to repair and rebuild. It prepares you for the next training session. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for Taekwondo training. They provide the body with glucose, which is converted into energy. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide sustained energy release. They are ideal for fueling long training sessions. Simple carbohydrates found in processed foods and sugary drinks provide a quick burst of energy. However, they can lead to energy crashes and should be consumed in moderation. Choose complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates. This will provide sustained energy levels. It will also prevent sugar spikes and crashes. Section 5, the power of protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. It helps build and repair muscle tissue broken down during intense training. Adequate protein intake is crucial for Taekwondo practitioners. It supports muscle recovery after training. It also prevents muscle loss and promotes strength gains. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Aim to consume protein with each meal and snack. This ensures a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair and growth. It is crucial for optimal Taekwondo performance and recovery. Section 6. Healthy fats for optimal Taekwondo. Healthy fats are essential for overall health and well-being. They play a role in hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Unsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil have anti-inflammatory properties. They support heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Saturated and trans fats found in processed foods and fried foods should be limited. They can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of heart disease. Include healthy fats in your diet to support overall health. This will optimize your Taekwondo performance and recovery. Section 7. Meal planning for success. Meal planning is crucial for Taekwondo practitioners. It is not just about eating, it's about fueling your body for optimal performance. It ensures you consume a balanced diet, rich in essential nutrients that support your training and recovery. It also helps you stay on track with your nutritional goals, making it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Plan your meals and snacks in advance. This proactive approach saves time and reduces stress during busy weeks. This will help you avoid unhealthy food choices, ensuring you always have nutritious options on hand. It will also prevent impulse eating when you are hungry, which can derail your dietary goals. Prepare your meals at home whenever possible. Home-cooked meals are often healthier and more satisfying. This gives you control over the ingredients, allowing you to choose fresh, high-quality foods. It also helps you reduce your intake of processed foods and unhealthy fats, which can negatively impact your health. Make sure to include a variety of foods from all food groups. This diversity ensures a well-rounded intake of vitamins and minerals. This will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to perform at its best and recover efficiently. It will also prevent boredom and support overall health, making your meal times enjoyable and beneficial. Section 8. Hydration and pre-workout nutrition. Staying hydrated is crucial for Taekwondo training. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and decreased performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after training sessions. Aim to drink water even before you feel thirsty. Pre-workout nutrition is also important. It provides your body with the energy it needs for training. It also helps prevent fatigue and optimize performance. Consume a light snack or meal containing carbohydrates and protein about 1 to 2 hours before training. This will provide sustained energy without weighing you down. Section 9, the holistic advantage. A holistic approach to Taekwondo training encompasses not just physical training, but also mindful eating and adequate rest. This means paying attention to what you eat, ensuring you get enough sleep, and incorporating mental wellness practices into your routine. This comprehensive approach yields numerous benefits that go beyond just physical fitness. For instance, it enhances performance by providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. Balanced meals, rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, fuel your training sessions and help you push your limits. Additionally, it promotes faster recovery by supporting muscle repair and growth. Proper nutrition and rest are crucial for your muscles to heal and strengthen after intense training. A holistic approach also significantly reduces the risk of injury. By strengthening your body and improving flexibility through targeted exercises, you become more resilient and less prone to injuries. It improves mental clarity and focus by providing your brain with the fuel it needs. A well-nourished brain can concentrate better, process information faster, and stay sharp during both training and everyday activities. Furthermore, it enhances emotional well-being by promoting a healthy relationship with food and your body. Mindful eating practices help you appreciate your meals and understand your body's needs, leading to a more balanced and positive outlook on life. Embrace the holistic approach to Taekwondo training. It's not just about the physical aspect, it's about nurturing your mind and body as a whole. By integrating mindful eating and rest with physical training, you can achieve optimal results. This balanced approach ensures that every aspect of your well-being is taken care of, leading to a more fulfilling and effective training experience. Unlock your full potential and enjoy the journey of Taekwondo. Remember, it's not just about reaching the destination, but also about appreciating the process and the growth you experience along the way. Thank you for viewing this fantastic content. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe, which is free. Come on and follow me for more great content from your screen, and we'll meet you there.